All right, all right. You want loud, boy. I ain't realize this how loud my car was. You know, people always say it was loud. Hearing it in person is different.
Yeah, man, I just wanna fast so I can get through the traffic like a NASCAR. Close your eyes and hold on tight, we bout to blast off. Look, baby, we topping out, we on this asphalt. Yeah, and I just wanna speed away the pain. Girl, if you ride with me, then please don't say a thing. You know I got it, girl, so don't look at me strange. I'll keep you safe, girl, as I live from lane to lane. Man, I just want a fast car. I be grinding like this, I just smoke my last.
What up, Last Route Gang? Back with another video. So as I told y'all the other day that my car is misfiring, and I don't know why. I've done everything that I could possibly do to try to make it work, and I just can't figure it out. So we're gonna go bring it to this guy who tuned my car to try to see if he can see what cylinder is misfiring and why it's not working properly. So basically we heading over there now to go and try to figure this out, because I definitely don't want to make this problem worse in any kind of way. So the quickest I can get it fixed, that's the route I want to take. So we headed over there by him right now. I'll tap back in with you guys once we get over there. You dig? So we made it over here by Ben, by the guy who tuned my car. He went to the store to go get some drinks and stuff, and guess once he get back, he gonna look at my car for me. Right now they got one guy that is working on his car. He got a 5.0 Coyote. I don't know if he's putting headers on it or not, but that's what we got going on over here. So I'm just waiting, man. Just waiting for Ben to pull up. That's the guy named who tuned my car. Hopefully it's something within the tune that's making it misfire. But crazy shocking part is, since I drove over here, the check engine light hasn't came back on yet, and I don't know if it's misfiring or not. I can't really tell. But as you can see, check engine light isn't on right now, so maybe that's a good thing. So I don't know, maybe the problem fixed itself.
But that's simply not possible.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
I know that may be far-fetched, but from my experience with the check engine light, it would come on a lot earlier than now. You know what I'm saying? So like, I mean, I've drove away from the other side of town. Before it would come on within the first 20 minutes of driving. So it don't take long to come on. And the fact that this is about a good 30-something minute drive, it hasn't came on yet. So maybe that's a good thing. I don't know, but we'll find out. So we just waiting on Ben to pull up. Yeah. So fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully it's not nothing major. Hopefully it's just something quick, a quick fix, and where I can put my baby back on the road and get back to the bill for you guys, because at the end of the day, man, this is my project, you know what I mean? And I don't want to have to start from ground zero. I want it to be something major, which I don't think it is, because if it was something like a lifter or a ride or something, I think we would know that by now. I think the car would drive like shit, and it don't. So fingers crossed, you guys. I'm just hoping that it's something real simple, maybe even a vacuum leak or something, because sometimes that could throw a cold. Just answer this question for me, because I mean, maybe you guys know better than I know, but tell me if you can hear if it's missing to you guys. Like before, it used to be like you could hear like a poof, every so often, but I'm not hearing that. maybe I'm not listening for the right thing or something. I don't know. But if you guys hear a miss, please comment down below. Let me know. You know, maybe y'all know better than I do. But I mean, even though we will find out today what's going on, but as of now, I don't really hear a miss, you know? So I'm just hoping that the problem fixed itself. You know, I don't even know if that's possible. Maybe me messing with the catch can again. Maybe I pushed it down all the way this time, because I did mess with the catch can a little earlier today, just to make sure all the hoses and stuff was clamped down. So hopefully, you know, maybe it was a vacuum leak and I fixed it. And that way I don't gotta spend no extra money. Because these things, oh man, they're expensive bills, man. And you know, sometimes you can run into issues where you gotta spend unnecessary money. And I just hope that this is not that case. But I mean, the car sound real good right now to me, you know. But like I said, we'll find out. Just waiting on Ben to pull up. All right, Ben just pulled up. Yeah, so what's going on, Ben? All right, man. I'm hoping. Hey, if the check engine light hasn't came back on, yeah. I don't know if it's misfiring or not. Maybe you can tell me. All right. Seem like it as of on my way here it does, but yeah, the check engine light's still not on. Yeah, still not on. And it's been at least 45 minutes that the car's been running, so really don't know. Really don't know, guys. Hoping that it turns out to be a positive thing, not negative, because Lord knows I don't need nothing negative right now, man. Stuff already hard. But like I said, fingers crossed, guys. Like it just came on, baby. Oh no, it didn't. Thought I did. I thought I heard something. Oh, okay. Before, when the check engine light would come on, it would change the tone of the car, like you can hear. Yeah. All right. All right. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Trying to see the car leave. Sound loud, boy. I ain't realize this how loud my car was. You know, people always say it was loud. Hearing it in person is different. Find a back up there. No.
long-term trim there.
Okay.
So it's gonna take a little bit to read this file, probably like 15 minutes. I'm hoping it'll get rained on.
Okay. All right, we good.
Yeah, that's the only thing I can see that maybe could cause it to start drowning off at the very top there. You know,
Yeah.
it just needs a little bit more fuel, so we'll play with that a little bit.
All right, cool. All right.
Yeah, I don't see no misfire code, so.
Okay, cool.
But it has flashed. Has it flashed since?
I flashed it, yeah.
But I'm saying, like the check engine light.
No, it didn't flash on and off, no.
Dad.
Hmm.
So how does he transfer the fuel to the car?
With a computer.
Like he transfers the actual gas?
Mm-hmm. To the top end.
Yeah, look at his Mustang.
It just seem like it's not getting enough fuel to the top end. That's why I probably feel like that.
A little fuel mixture.
Yeah.
So I mean, you got close with using the O2 sensors to kind of adjust, but you feel it sometimes when it's waiting for the O2s to adjust.
Yeah.
It's only a few percent, so add a little bit. And,
Okay.
You know, it does feel a little different.
All right. And that should keep the check engine light from coming on.
Check engine light shouldn't come on.
Okay.
Did you ever change out the ICMR? I think we had to.
No, I only reason, man, because I've looked at videos on how to take the intake off. It just seemed like a lot. I gotta take the
There's a few plugs. In
yeah,
the
and the what they call it, fuel
fuel rails.
you know, it just seemed like a lot, you
It's a
know.
little bit, you know, it's nothing crazy, but it is
Yeah.
time consuming.
Yeah.
Especially if you ain't got everything right there in front of you.
Exactly. I'm just a little afraid to mess with them. The
But
fuel
I
rails.
mean, if it ever is misfiring, it's more than likely what's causing it. I remember we did have a code for that whenever I came and took
Okay.
that intake you put on there. So
Yeah.
that's one thing I could think that would cause a misfire. Because like right now, it's running fine. If it was a loose plug or something,
Yeah.
I'd expect it to be a constant miss.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. I just changed all the plugs, and
All these plugs,
yeah,
Did they look bad? They look good?
they was like dark looking, but it did it.
They weren't gunked up or nothing. They were just dark. That's normal.
I'm gonna show you, just so you can see. Pop the trunk for me real quick, boo. You see
It
the
might
button?
not pop because I'm flashing it.
Don't worry about it then.
Yeah.
I'll show you once it's done then.
There's no manual way to pop it on?
Nah, I mean the button,
all
but
digital.
yeah, just watch out, Kendon. GT500 bump on there. I wanted to do this, but it is what it is. I think I'm gonna do the Mach 1. Just the bottom part. No, that's a GT500. No, that's a GT, but he got the GT500 bumper. But I was saying I'm gonna do the Mach 1 bumper. Because the Mach 1 bumper is just the bottom part. That was the bump I was gonna go with at first. But a lot of people just go with the GT500 bumper, so do something a little different, you know?
I got 7.
I don't know if you remember the guy, Ryan. You remember Ryan? With the silver Mustang?
Silver.
Yeah, he the little young guy,
There's
Breeze.
been a lot of them. I can't really say for sure.
Yeah, he got the tune that I got from you,
Uh-huh.
but then he came back and got it, I guess the full kill, what they call it?
Yeah, okay. He wanted the E85 tune.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
His car, I think he might have heard something.
yeah, he did. And well, he wound up getting it redid
He
from
did
full.
redo?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was shocking
Good.
because the tune, you know, I
Yeah.
don't know if they didn't pick it up or
No,
what.
they just, if you go to the right dealership, they don't look.
Okay.
I think what happened was he had intake clamps. I didn't put his parts on. He came that day. I was supposed to put everything on. Whoever
Okay.
put his intake on, they didn't put the clamps on.
Oh.
So like when the motor would torque, it would let it gulp some air past the mass airflow sensor. That's
Yeah.
the only thing I could think could have hurt it because I looked at his tune. It wasn't yanking no timing out. Fuel don't look good.
Yeah.
You know, just steady. But
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to do what he did. I don't want to go to no
Yeah.
full Yeah.
Well, even at any amount, you know, like just if you make a lean condition,
Yeah.
like a super lean condition, go open all the air past the mass airflow sensor, it can
Yeah.
cause it to lean out and pop a ring.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know what was going on. I was looking at his log and he pulled off and seen it smoking. I'm like, oh yeah, I think he cracked a piston. So
Damn. Huh.
the ring lands when they start getting hot from
Yeah.
real lean or
Yeah.
too much time, and they'll eventually they touch, the gap touches, and then it has nowhere to go, so it just cracks the piston inside the cylinder.
Gotcha. Oh, so that was really an issue before you came over here, kind of.
Well, yeah, but then when we pushed it hard, so
Yeah.
you know, in that case, you pushing hard, you gotta make sure everything's at the
yeah.
top of top working condition.
Exactly. Yeah.
What dealership you use? Just
He
curious.
went to the one on Veterans. Ford.
Veterans,
Yeah.
okay. I'm gonna tell people in the future if they
Yeah,
if
hell
they
yeah.
don't check.
Yeah, I mean, they ain't checked for him. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna work the same for everybody, but they
Yeah.
damn sure didn't. He said he was covered, so he got a whole new engine.
There you go.
Yeah. And I mean, his car's running fine right now. He still have your same tune on
Yeah.
it, so you know that lets you know that it couldn't
yeah,
get a tune.
I done tuned probably hundreds of these Gen 3s by now.
Yeah. So it didn't say anything about losing no timing or anything on in
It
my.
wasn't, no, it was pulling 1 degree in like the mid range. That's normal to see here and there, you know.
Okay. Yeah, hopefully the check engine light don't come back on. I'd be happy about that, man, because you know you always worry when you see a check engine light come on. It's like, man, it shouldn't. Well, that's good news, gang. He's saying that he didn't see nothing dealing with the car missing or losing time or anything like that. So that's good news. He's saying that he just needed to add a little more fuel to the top end. So hopefully that, you know, cancels the problem. Hopefully that was fixing the problem right there. Check engine light shouldn't come back on, as he said. So fingers crossed again, guys. Look like we going in the right direction so far. So hopefully it keeps going in that direction. You did. Definitely gotta clean this front bump. I got bugs galore. I know, right? Man, this is another thing that happened. I don't know how this happened, but a piece of my horse is missing. I don't know if something hit it or what, or if somebody just hated on me and you know, cracked it purposely. But
Got it.
But maybe it's time for me to get a new grill anyway. So you know, sometimes things happen for a reason. So maybe I should just go get me one of the Savini's grills or something. You know, let me know what y'all think. Leave it in the comment section. If y'all say get the Savini's grill, I get the Savini's grill. The one without the little horse in the middle is just straight grill. You know, I like the look of those. But if I was to do it, I think I want to get it painted like this. You know, honestly, all the little plastic pieces like this, even this, in there, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser part. I want to get all that painted because I just think it looks better when it's like this, you know. I honestly wish Ford would have did that from the factory, but it's neither here nor there. Every plastic piece that I can think of, even the mirror, and this part here, I want all that to be painted black. Oh, and also the mirror. Tell me what you guys think if I should do the mirrors black. So leave it in the comment section if y'all think so. Oh, and I forgot about this as well. These. I thought about doing these black as well. I'm gonna go in. So let me know what y'all think. Leave it in the comment section. You did. I know for sure I do have an exhaust leak. Yeah, it's like right where the clamp's at. So I'm gonna probably get it welded. Yeah. Huh?
It sounds like faster when it actually like goes so past you, and when it's about to go so fast.
Back up. Back up. How much up? Still no check engine light, so that's a good sign. Does it sound like it's missing or not? It's good?
Feels good to be on top of it. I don't think it's rolling off. I went all the way up to a little over 7.
Okay.
You want to go higher than that? Usually start to manifolds, cobra jet, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Feels pretty good.
Okay. I'm gonna try it and see. I mean, I definitely know.
When you race it, you turn the AC off, right?
No, I
That
don't.
makes a difference, especially on top when you spin that compressor.
Okay.
On a certain RPM, it does disengage the clutches, but I don't know what that is on top of it. Too.
Okay.
It could be possible it is. He has his AC off, you have your AC on.
Okay. All right.
Small differences.
Oh, so you notice like when you try to shift the third, it kind of.
I missed third gear coming back.
Yeah.
That was
Okay.
I can feel it when I grab first and second. Kind of, you feel the compressor, I guess, it disengages and re-engages. But
Okay.
not too many of these cars come through a manual, so I can't say for sure that's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
You know, she does.
All right. Appreciate it. All right, gang. So he says it's definitely pulling more on the top end now. I'll know for sure once I get into it, and I'll let you guys know what I feel. But he said the check engine light shouldn't come back on, and I know my car, so it should feel better. We gonna know. We gonna find out. But, I'll tap back in with you guys in a minute. Alright, guys. We're gonna find out right now. Until get out of the regular car. Seem like it. See, I don't want to, get too ahead of myself right now. Could be. What? No, so I'm gonna just crack the window. Seem like it? Actually, it does seem like it's pulling better on top of it. The good thing is, check engine light hasn't came back on. So that's a real positive note right there. So I know my phone probably shaking a lot, guys, but just bear with me. I don't got a real good mount. So but as of right now, so far what I'm seeing, it seems like it's pulling a lot better. Check engine light hasn't came back on. So, hopefully everything keeps going in the same positive direction. But it seems like it's running a lot better. I'm not gonna lie about that. I definitely feel like on the top end it's pulling a little bit better.
I don't smell that.
Yeah, I don't smell exhaust. So it doesn't seem like it's missing. I know I definitely need to get my exhaust welded because the clamps is not, it's keep coming to loose pretty much. And I right now I have an exhaust leak right around where the clamps are, so I gotta make a word I'm looking for. I hate that when I have brain for it. Appointment. Wow, why couldn't I think of that? Have to make an appointment to get the pipes welded, so I plan on doing that sometime this week, and I'll vlog about that as well. So. But as of right now, gang, it seems like it's running good, so I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed because, you know, sometimes things just take longer to show a code or something, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, hopefully this fixed the problem. The catch can is on the car. It doesn't seem like it's the catch can at all. So, I'm just gonna keep it going in that direction again, like I said, he did. So, I'm gonna get at y'all in a minute, gang. Peace. I'm not gonna lie, man. It's definitely is a difference. I'm feeling the difference in the pull. Pulling a lot more on the top end. Yeah, it's definitely pulling a lot more. Like it's really throwing you back in the seat. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Like my top end before wasn't doing that. Yep. I know. This person trying to read some shit. Huh? This person in this damn Fiat 500. Yeah. Yeah. Every time I get on the gas, he like trying to run up on me. Let's slow that little small ass shit down. People, I tell you. Certain shit you just, maybe he just wanted, then he, look, he putting his fucking hand, you see that shit? Like he telling me peace, like he about to burn me or something. People is crazy, dog. Like he think he going somewhere.
Just dip on his ass.
That's crazy. He really put the peace sign up on me.
People like that, you just gotta show them. Just wash his ass at the club.
I thought he was getting over. Looked like he was. Yeah, it's definitely pulling a lot better, I ain't gonna lie. But you see what I'm saying though, like with the turn, see how the bitch do that? That's why I don't be liking to go in and out at a high rate of speed, cause it's like this bitch be throwing a call. Huh? Yeah, I don't like that.
Go back in.
I want to go though. Sure. Sure. Anything for my baby.
I'm your baby.
Tell me that bitch ain't pulling better. I think it's pulling a lot better. That felt good. It felt real good. What? You are. She she had to be my baby before you was, because that's how you got here. Right? You're the second baby. Yeah, you're my first baby child. Probably not. A lot of people don't know about cars like that.
It's common sense, though. Common sense until you let the bitch go, so you take the cap off.
Right.
And everything's gonna pour out, so you just basically wasted your money.
It's definitely pulling better, man. Like, I'm really tripping out on how better it's pulling. It really didn't feel like this.
I know the difference because when it's running bad, you have that exhaust.
But I noticed a difference in the way the car, like,
I'm not driving.
it still don't matter. I can notice it from the passenger side.
You notice it because you're driving. You know what it feels like. On this side, I notice the difference because, like I said, when something's wrong, it has that exhaust.
But you even said you noticed a difference in how the car was driving better.
I mean, yeah, I felt the pull.
For a person that sits in the passenger side, even when it's not running good, gonna notice from the passenger side when it feels better than what they know.
I'm saying that exhaust. That exhaust smell.
You gotta slow it down. Yeah. You want a drink, right? Oh, you talking to him? Alright, gang. That's all I want to show y'all. It's definitely running better, so I'll tap back in with y'all in a minute, man. You dig? Peace.
Never tells me that Catherine ordered it.
Oh, what's up? Huh?
That was me.
Huh? No, you hold it. I'm driving.
No, can you put it right there?
Like, where?
Right there.
That's